Hi everyone, this is my chemistry channel. In this video lecture, we're going to discuss about some electron transfer agents in biological system. In last video, we had discussed about some ion transport and storage proteins such as transferrin, ferritin and hemosiderin. Here we're going to continue this lecture with some electron transfer agents. So the electron transfer agents are called iron sulfur proteins, FES protein, simply known as FES protein. So these FES proteins are categorized as non-EME proteins. So in biological system there are two types of categories such as EME proteins and non-EME proteins. So EME proteins contains the major prosthetic group called heme group. In non-EME proteins it does not contain the prosthetic group. So the iron sulfur proteins come under non-EME proteins. So these non-EME proteins as responsible for the several electron transfer reactions in the plants and bacteria, and to precise simply called as it as electron transfer agent in biochemical process. Okay, the iron sulfur proteins are very low molecular weight, which lies between 6000 to 12000. So the protein part in this iron sulfur proteins is nearly made up of, it may contain 1, 2 or up to 8 iron atoms in the protein part. And this iron sulfur 14, the iron is the central active species which is coordinated to the sulfur from cysteine residue in the tetrahedral manner. So in iron sulfur protein, the Fe atom is in the +3 state. Okay. So as I told you already, this iron sulfur proteins are involved in the electron transfer reagents. So this electron transfer agents was decided by some reduction potentials of this non-EME protein. So the non-EME proteins have a low range of reduction potential, so that lies between -0.05 volt to -0.5 volt. So they are good reducing agents in the biochemical process. So this electron transfer agents, that is iron sulfur proteins, are involved in the redox reaction of the biochemical process. So this iron sulfur proteins having the major role in the photosynthesis. So this non-EME protein serves as a electron transfers in photosynthesis, in nitrogen fixation, and it also involved in the metabolic oxidation of sugars. Okay, and this iron sulfur proteins are otherwise known as non-EME proteins, have two types. That is, one is rubridoxine, another one is a ferridoxine. So rubridoxine is a single ion type protein and ferridoxine is the multi-ion type proteins. Okay, so the ferridoxine again classified into three types. One is three types of cluster. One is Fe2S2 cluster and Fe3SO4 cluster, and a third one is Fe4SO4 cluster. So let me see these types in detail. Okay. First we will see rubridoxine. So this rubridoxine is a single ion atom in the structure. So it was found in the anaerobic bacteria, so which contains single ion atom. So it contains only single ion atom which coordinated to 4 cysteine residues. That is, this ion atom is bonded with sulfur which is from cysteine residue in distorted tetrahedral manner. Okay, and this is the structure of rubridoxine, and this rubridoxine contains the active site called Fe ion. So this is the iron sulfur protein. F is in the +3 oxidation state. So here the oxidation state of iron is +3, which was in the high spin state. Okay. So the bond distance between Fe and sulfur, the bond distance of lies between Fe and sulfur lies between 224 to 233 ppm. So and if you see the bond angle of this sulfur iron sulfur, this lies between 104 to 114 degree. Okay. So here the ion which is coordinated with the 4 sulfur atoms which is not active. So it is, the sulfur are not labile in nature. So it's not, they are very inert in nature. Okay. So this rubridoxine is a 1 electron transfer agent in biochemical process. So this rubridoxine serves as a 1 electron transfer. Okay. And during the electronic transfer reaction, so this rubridoxine get reduced to Fe2 plus. So Fe3 plus, by taking 1 electron, it get converted into Fe2 plus. So this is the oxidized form and this is reduced form. Okay. So here one sulfur was in the plane and other was in the below, above the plane, and the other sulfur was the below the plane. Okay. So during the oxidation form, this rubredoxine was in the reddish color. So it was highly colored. It's due to the ligand to metal charge transfer. So there is a electron flow from sulfur to iron, which is called ligand to metal charge transfer. So due to this charge transfer spectrum, this rubredoxine was highly intense color, which was reddish color. Okay. After it get reduced from Fe2 plus, it was colorless. So Fe3 plus, which was in the 3d5-4s0 configuration. So all the electrons, 5 electrons are singled in the d orbital. So the spin quantum number, if you see the spin quantum number is equal to 5/2. So hence it is a paramagnetic. So whenever there is an unpaired electron, the compound becomes ESR active or EPR active. So this oxidized form of the rubredoxine is the EPR active. So it was in the tetrahedral geometry, and iron is in the high spin state. And if you see the reduced form, so one of the electron it's added. Okay, so the 6 electrons in the d orbital, and here it has 4 unpaired electrons. If you see the spin quantum number, it has 2. So it is again ESR active. Okay. So during the reduction, after the reduction of this rubredoxine, the Fe sulfur ion distance get increases. So the bond distance of iron and sulfur get increases after the reduced form. Okay. And this is about the rubredoxine. So rubredoxine is a one electron transfer agent. Okay. Next see ferredoxine. And ferredoxine again categorized into 3 major types called Fe2S2. Either it can be written like Fe2S2 or 2Fe2S cluster, or Fe3S4 and 3Fe4S cluster, and third type is Fe4S4 or 4Fe and 4S cluster. Okay, and first we will go into the Fe2S2 cluster. So this Fe2S2 cluster is known as the rhombic 2-ion 2-sulfide cluster. Rhombic 2-ion 2-sulfide cluster. So this type of ferredoxines are known as plant ferredoxine. So it mainly found in the plants. Okay, and it serves as a one electron transfer. So it behaves as a 1 electron transfer agent. And this ferredoxine Fe2S2 type is a highly acidic in nature. Okay, and if you see the structure, both the ion coupled antiferromagnetically via mu sulfido bridge. Okay. So here the one ion atom which is connected with the 4 sulfur, 2 sulfur from cysteine residue, and here this ion is connected with this 2 sulfur from cysteine residue. So these 2 ion atoms are coupled antiferromagnetically via this 2 bridging sulfur. Okay, so this is mu sulfido bridge. Okay, and here both the ion atoms are in the +3 oxidation state, which was in the high spin state. So both the ion atoms are +3 as well as it was in the high spin state. Okay, it was diamagnetic because it was diamagnetic and ESR inactive. And let's see that how it will be diamagnetic and ESR active. So during the electron transfer reaction, this Fe2S2 cluster get reduced. So this is oxidized form. When the 1 electron is added to this, it get reduced. So both the ion atoms are not get reduced. We are having only 1 electron. So one of the ion atom get reduced to Fe2 plus. Okay, so this is oxidized form and this is reduced form. Okay, so in oxidized form, both the ion atoms are in the +3 state and high spin state. Okay, so both the ion atoms are arranged in the tetrahedral manner. Okay, and one of the ion atoms, one Fe atom, has 5 parallel electrons, and other ion atoms, because both the ion atoms are coupled antiferromagnetically, so other ion atom has anti-parallel spins. Okay, so both the spins are get cancel each other, so the total spin quantum number equal to 0. So there is no unpaired electrons, and this ferredoxine Fe2S2 type is ESR inactive, and it is a diamagnetic in nature. Okay. And in reduced form, here if 1 electron is added, one of the ion atoms get reduced to Fe2 plus. So one Fe in the +2 state and another Fe in the +3 state. Okay, if 1 electron is added to this Fe, it becomes 6 electrons. So totally it has 6 and another ion atom has 5, because both ion atoms are coupled antiferromagnetically. So the net spin quantum number is equal to half. So if you cancel each other, 4 electrons get cancel each other, so it remains 1 electron. So the total spin quantum number equal to plus of. So this plus of and minus of get cancel each other. Okay, and this leads to that is the spin quantum number equal to plus 1 by 2, and it's a paramagnetic species. So hence it contains one unpaired electrons. This reduced form is EPR active. So in Fe2S2 cluster, the oxidized form is ESR inactive and the reduced form is EPR active due to the spin quantum number of 1 by 2. Okay, and this is about Fe2S2 cluster. And next we will see the risky protein. So what is called a risky protein? So it come under the Fe2S2 cluster, that is 2Fe2S protein type. When here in paradoxical structure, if the 2 sulfur from cysteine residues is replaced by nitrogen from histidine residue, then it leads to the risky protein. Okay, so in Fe2S2 cluster, so the 2 ligands, that is the sulfur ligands, are replaced by the histidine residues, then it is called risky protein. So these 2 ions are active site, which is coupled antiferromagnetically via this mu disulfido bridge. Okay, and if you see the role of this risky protein, and this risky protein is one of the component of electron transfer chains involved in. So this is one of the factor that involved in the electron transfer agent in cytochrome BC complex, which is found in the mitochondria. So it facilitates the electron transfer reaction in mitochondria and as well as in chloroplast, that is in photosynthetic reaction. So it serves as a electron transfer agent in cytochrome BC complex and cytochrome B6 complex. So in mitochondria, this risky protein accepts the electron from ubiquinol and transfers the electron to ion in cytochrome C. Okay, so this risky protein found in mitochondria, which is facilitates the electron transfer reaction. Whereas in chloroplast, that is during the photosynthesis reaction, there are 2 types of system, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. So during the electron transfer reaction, during the electron flow, this risky protein is one of the component that transfers the electrons in the photosynthesis process. So whereas in chloroplast, it accepts the electron from plastoquinol and transfers the electron to ion in cytochrome B6 complex. Okay, so it's a very important topic which is very essential for the exam point of view. Okay, as I have already uploaded the video for the photosynthesis process, that is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. If you want to see this video, you can link click the description box and I have given the link there. Okay, and this is about risky protein. So this risky protein have the 2 types of component, that is electron transfer agent in 2 types of systems, that is one in mitochondria and as well as one in photosynthesis process. Okay, and the second type is Fe3SO4 cluster. So this is called cuboid 3 ion and 4 sulfide cluster. It's not a complete cubane, it's a cuboid because one of the side of is not completed. Okay, so this is not incompleted cubing. Okay, so in this cuboid structure, it contains 3 iron atoms and 4 sulfur atoms. In this 3 iron atoms and it contains 4 labile sulfurs and 3 non-labile sulfurs. So 4 labile sulfurs means it's a free sulfurs which is not connected with the iron atom. So 3 non-labile sulfurs means the sulfur which is connected to the cysteine iron atom which is from cysteine residue. So this is the structure of Fe3SO4 cluster. So here 1, 2, 3 iron atoms and 4 sulfurs. 1, 2, 3, 4 sulfurs. Okay, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 sulfurs are labile sulfurs, and this red marked sulfurs from cysteine residue 1, 2, 3, which is not labile sulfurs. Okay, it is the oxidized form when it takes 1 electron and get reduced to Fe2 plus. Okay, so among these 3 Fe, so all the Fe atoms are in the +3 state. So during the reduction reaction, one of the Fe get reduced to Fe2 plus. So let's see the oxidized and reduced form. So during the oxidized form, so all the iron atoms are in the +3 state. So 1, 2, 3, all the 3 iron atoms are in the +3 state. And see the electrons, there are 5 electrons. So this iron atoms are 5 electrons, and this iron atoms and this iron atom are coupled antiferromagnetic. So this have parallel spin and this have anti-parallel spin. So both are cancel each other, and the total spin quantum number, sorry, this spin quantum number of this two ion atom equal to 0. And if you see the third ion, it has parallel spins. Okay, and it has total spin of equal to 5 by 2. So it has S equal to 5 by 2. So among the three, so the two ion atoms are coupled antiferromagnetically. So hence the total spin equal to 0. So the remaining ion atoms has 5 by 2. Hence it has 5 unpaired electrons, and hence it is paramagnetic. It is ESR active. Okay, and if you see the reduced form, one of the ion get reduced. Again, so this ion and this ion are coupled antiferromagnetically. So it does not undergo any reduction. So this ion is undergo reduction reaction. Okay, so it get reduced. Okay, so if you see that in reduced form, it has one electron is added here. So it has totally 4 spin. Okay, so S equal to 4 by 2. Total it has 2. Total spin quantum number equal to 2. So hence it is paramagnetic and ESR active. So both the oxidized form and reduced form of Fe3SO4 cluster are ESR active. Okay, so this Fe3SO4 suggests that this cluster involves in one electron transfer reaction in biological system. Okay, and this is about second type of ferredoxin. And if you see the third type, it is a cubane cluster, that is 4Fe and 4 sulfide cluster, or otherwise known as Fe4SO4 cluster. So in this cluster, this is a very common and most stable ferredoxin found in the biochemical reactions. Okay, so it's mainly found in the bacteria and involved in the anaerobic metabolism. So here this structure of the cluster ferredoxin is like a cubane. Okay, and the 4 iron and 4 labile sulfur are present. So it present alternate. So if here iron is there, so next sulfur is there, next to iron, so next sulfur is there. Okay, so it occupied the alternate positions of the cubes. So each ion atoms in the cubes are tetrahedrally coordinated. If you take this ion is tetrahedrally coordinated, and if you take this ion, it is tetrahedral arrangement, and if you take this ion, it is tetrahedral coordination site. So all the 4 ion atoms are in the tetrahedral coordination site. It also involved in the one electron transfer agent. Okay, and here there are 4 sulfurs which are labeled. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these sulfurs are labeled and the 4 sulfurs are non-labeled. So this sulfur which is coordinated to ion which are not labeled. Okay, here among the 4 ion atoms, there are 4 ion atoms. 2 ion atoms are +3 oxidation state and 2 ion atoms are in the +2 oxidation state. Okay, so +3 oxidation state are coupled antiferromagnetically, that is +3 and +3. These ion atoms are coupled antiferromagnetically via this sulfur, and the +2 ion atoms are coupled antiferromagnetically via this sulfur. Okay, and this is the structure of ferredoxin Fe4SO4 cluster. Okay. When we added the one electron to this ferredoxin Fe4SO4 cluster, it get reduced. So here we are providing only one electron. So among the 4 ion atoms, 1 ion atoms get reduced. Okay, so this is oxidized form and reduced form. So among the 4 ion atoms, 1 ion atoms get reduced. Okay, let's see. So the oxidized form, all ion atoms are in the high spin state. So all the 4 ion atoms are in the high spin state. Among these 2 ion atoms are +3 state and other 2 ion atoms are +2 state. Okay. So the similar oxidation state, the ions which are having the similar oxidation states are coupled each other, and the +3 oxidation ions are coupled each other. Okay. And if you see the total spin of this ion, it has 5 unpaired electrons. It also having 5 unpaired electrons. So it coupled antiferromagnetically. The total spin cancel each other and 0. Okay. And here also the total spin equal to 0. So total spin equal to 0. Hence it is this oxidase form is diamagnetic nature, and this is ESR inactive because there is no unpaired electrons which will not undergo for the ESR IPR active. Okay. So this is ESR inactive. Let's see the reduced form. So in reduced form, one of the ions get reduced, which becomes +3 to +2. So here this ion is +3 and this ion is +2. So one electron is added. Okay, and both the ion are plus 2. So if you see the total spin, this is 0, and here 5 electrons are get 4 electrons are cancelled and 1 electrons are remain. So the total spin equal to plus of. Okay, and all Fe atoms are high spin state. The total spin of this reduced form is equal to 1 by 2, and it is a paramagnetic because it contains 1 electron, which is give the signal for the ESR. Okay, and it is a ESR or EPR active. One ion atom was in the plus 3 state and other 3 ion atoms are in the plus 2 state. Okay, so this plus 3 and plus 2 state coupled antiferromagnetically, which gives the spin equal to plus of, because this 4 and this 4 cancel each other, and this cancel each other, plus of and minus of cancel each other. So the total spin having a plus of, so S equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and this is the reduced form of Fe4SO4 cluster. Okay, and among this, the stable oxidation state of the ferredoxin Fe4SO4 cluster is plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, so whereas in the iron oxidation state, when the iron the plus 2 and plus 3 oxidation state, those ferredoxins are called high potential iron sulfur proteins, HIP clusters. Okay, so when iron in the plus 1 plus 2 state, Fe4SO4 unit, then it is called low potential iron sulfur proteins. When iron in the plus 2 plus 3 states, they are called high potential iron sulfur proteins. Okay, and this is about the ferredoxin. So both the rubidoxin and ferredoxin serves as one electron transport agent in the biochemical process. Okay, and thanks for watching. If you like my video, please comment my videos and share my videos.